Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the raw table into one workbook, import the CSV, or connect to the database directly. Once done, standardize column names and convert types, dates as date format, numbers as number, because accurate types let Excel compute correctly. Make sure to remove extra header rows and unmerge cells. This prevents errors when you create tables or pivot caches. Also, create one master sheet that references originals so you can refresh without overwriting raw files. You now transform using Power Query for repeatable cleaning, filter rows, unpivot columns for long-form analysis, and merge queries to enrich the set. Then load results as a table with Control plus T so formulas and slicers update automatically. Create calculated columns only when necessary, otherwise use measures in the data model for performance. For categories, standardize spelling and casing so grouping works. Once the model is set, create sample pivot tables to validate aggregation logic and totals. You finish by building pivot tables and pivot charts to surface insights. Use slicers and timelines to let viewers explore. For advanced metrics, write DAX measures for running totals, percent of total, or a 3-period moving average. This avoids bloating the table. Once visuals match the questions, assemble a one-page dashboard and annotate assumptions. If things go wrong, check query steps first and the data types. A single text value in a number column often causes aggregation errors. Fix that, then refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.